This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Lizsmith. Welcome home to this 3-bed, 1.5 bath ranch-style home located in Runnymede. Bright, open-feel floor plan with wood stove and living room. This home features updated bathrooms, large screened-in porch leading to wood patio area for cool fall afternoons. Enjoy a large fenced-in yard for entertaining. Large 2-car detached garage designed for that car enthusiast. For more information, review the details below.